Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Jaden anti-theft backpack. As you can see, the front of the package has some Jaden branding on it, and there's a recycle logo on it as well. There's nothing on the back, so let's get into the backpack and see. The front of the backpack has a Jaden branding once again, and this is on a shiny black surface. Around it is a different kind of material, which is slightly more matte than the one you see on the front. Most of the important aspects of the backpack are on the back. We can see that the shoulder pads are quite nicely padded and they have a breathable mesh material on the inside. That breathable mesh material is also on the back and on the bottom of the bag. We also have a compartment, a kind of secret compartment if you were, to put some important bits and bobs in. We also have a compartment on the shoulder strap for some smaller items like credit cards or cash that also need some easy access. The shoulder straps have straps of their own on which things can be tied. We also have a handle on the shoulder straps itself. The main compartment of the backpack is on the inside of the slip to prevent any kind of theft. Opening it up reveals a plethora of smaller compartments. So let's start from the left. We have this pouch where we can keep things like pens, and the pouch itself has another pouch within it for some smaller items. There are also two larger pouches on the bottom which can be used to keep things like bottles, as they are big enough for that. There's another secret compartment on the inside right here for small items, and there is also a USB type A interface on it. So what you can do is attach a power bank to it, and using this USB type A female interface, you can connect a charging wire to it and charge any device that you might need to charge. We also have these Velcro straps to keep the backpack in place and not to open it out completely. On the right hand side, we have two compartments for different sized gizmos. Like the big one can be used for a laptop, and there are elastic bands on it as well to keep the laptop secure. Same with the smaller compartment, which can be used to house a tablet, and that too has its own elastic bands to keep it secure. So this was the unpackaging of the Jaden anti-theft backpack. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.